come to this window on the other side.
Oh. Over there.
Can't even see. Jesus, man.
Is our wing?
Yeah. Pretty nice battery. Real good. My beer's freezing. You ever deep fry in a car before, Tom?
Nope.
Are you happy that you're doing it?
Christmas night on 4.
Anytime the first time is always far out.
We got a smoke bar now, Tommy. It's nice.
You guys need any ideas? I got a bunch of these in color.
Yeah, man, whatever you got. What do you got a warehouse over there?
No, I don't got a warehouse. No, my cousin works at Walmart and they throw this shit out.
Oh.
They throw this shit out.
Yeah, man, oh, I can take that. What Walmart?
This thing's psychedelic looking.